Orange chicken. Orange chicken is a Chinese-American invention made with boneless skinless chicken breast or thighs. Let's make it. Bismillah. For chicken marination, in a mixing bowl or platter, add 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts or thighs thinly cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/2 teaspoon crushed black peppers, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon orange zest, 4 tablespoon orange juice, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, optional. Mix well. Cover, and let it sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, in a wide cooking wok, heat up the cooking oil on a medium heat to 350 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, in a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, whisk it together, and add it to marinated chicken. Fry these chicken pieces by adding individually to preheated oil, working in batches. Cook several chicken pieces at a time. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, turning often until golden brown. Take it out by draining the oil and repeat. Spread it out on the baking tray to keep it crispy. In leftover chicken batter, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I'm using sweet and spicy flavored barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of water, mix well. On medium heat in a wide cooking pan, add 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using same oil, which I use it for frying chicken, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon crushed ginger, sauté for 1 minute. And add the pre-made soy sauce and barbecue sauce mixture. Cook until thickened. Add fried chicken and 1 teaspoon of crushed red peppers. Mix well, cook for 1 minute, and turn off the heat. Sprinkle chopped green onions on top, and serve immediately with cooked white rice. Garnish with slices of orange. Note: you can always adjust the spices according to your preference. In sauce you can add 1/2 cup of orange juice, optional, and salt if needed. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, share, and comment below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.